Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture number 15. The name of the paper is Introduction to Linguistics, and the name of the chapter is Morphology, and the topic is Lexical and Functional Morphemes. As you know, we discussed these topics from the study of language by George Yule, which is a prescribed book for you, and the topic is Lexical and Functional Morphemes. Before the lexical and functional morphemes, we discussed the free and bound morphemes. Now, we discussed these are also free morphemes, so we say that those morphemes which are free, which can stand alone, they have two types. One type is the type which consists of nouns, adjectives and verbs. These are the morphemes which actually contain the content of the messages. That is, the meaning of the messages is actually found in these free morphemes, which is the first category. This category, which forms the content of the messages, is referred to as lexical morphemes. These are free morphemes, and the examples are, if we take nouns, girl is a noun, man is a noun, house, tiger, sad is an adjective, long is an adjective, yellow adjective. Then you have sincere, open is a verb, look is a verb, fall is a verb, break is a verb. These are lexical morphemes. They are free morphemes, and this class, the class of lexical morphemes, is referred to as open class because it consists of noun, adjectives and verbs, and these are found in these are the types of words or the type of morphemes which are open in the sense that new words can be added to these. For example, new nouns are created. The word computer, for example, was not present 100 years ago. So new words can be added to them, and therefore it is called an open class. The other type of free morphemes are the functional morphemes. These are those morphemes which perform some grammatical function. For example, and performs the grammatical function of joining two words, two sentences and phrases. The same is the case with but, when, because, on, near, above, in, the, that, it and them. These are called functional words, and they belong to the closed class because the conjunctions, which are the functional morphemes, prepositions, articles and pronouns, they are fixed. They have definite number and new words are not added to them. Therefore, these morphemes which are free, of course they can come alone, they can stand alone, but they are free. However, they perform some grammatical function, and the main message, the content of meaning, which is the main meaning, is not found in them. So a very short lecture again. We discussed lexical morphemes, which are nouns, adjectives and verbs, and this is one kind of free morpheme. The other kind of free morphemes is the functional morpheme. Functional morpheme belongs to a closed class, and they are conjunction, preposition, articles and pronouns, and they perform some grammatical function, but they are free morpheme because they can stand alone. Both the lexical and the functional morpheme can stand alone. इसको उर्दू में सुन लें. ये दो फ्री मॉर्फीम्स की किस्में जिसको ऊपर हमने पढ़ा, ये अमूमन नाउन, एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब्स होते हैं, और जो मैसेज है, मीनिंग मोस्टली इन अल्फाज से हम लेते हैं, और ये लेक्सिकल मॉर्फीम्स कहलाते हैं. इनकी मिसालें ये हैं. ये ओपन क्लास इसलिए कहलाता है क्योंकि इसमें और अल्फाज ऐड हो सकते हैं. फिर हमने पढ़ा फंक्शनल मॉर्फीम्स. ये भी फ्री मॉर्फीम्स हैं और ये कोई ग्रामेटिकल फंक्शन करते हैं, जैसे एंड, बट, व्हेन वगैरह वगैरह हैं, और इनमें कंजंक्शन, प्रीपोजिशन, आर्टिकल्स और प्रोनाउंस शामिल हैं. चूँकि इनकी तादाद मालूम है और फिक्स्ड है, इसमें नए अल्फाज नहीं आते, तो ये क्लोज्ड क्लास कहलाता है. इसकी ट्रांसलेशन भी सुन लें. What we have described as free morphemes, جن کو ہم نے فری مارفیم کہا ہے fall into two categories. تو ان کی دو قسمیں ہیں. The first category is that's set of ordinary nouns, adjectives and verbs. پہلی کیٹیگری میں یہ nouns, adjectives, verbs شامل ہیں that we think of as the words that carry the content of the messages we convey. تو جو میسیج ہم کنوے کرتے ہیں اس کا کنٹینٹ وہ انہی الفاظ میں پایا جاتا ہے. These free morphemes are called lexical morphemes. ان کو lexical morphemes کہتے ہیں. And some examples are girl, man, house, tiger, sad, long, yellow, sincere, open, look, follow and break. We can add new lexical morphemes to language rather easily. آسانی سے نئی lexical morphemes آ سکتے ہیں لینگویج میں. So they are treated as an open class of words. تو یہ open ہے. Other types of free morphemes are called functional morphemes. Examples are these. This set consists largely of functional words. ان کو functional words کہتے ہیں کیونکہ یہ grammatical function کرتے ہیں in the language such as conjunction, preposition, articles, pronouns. Because we almost never add new functional morphemes to the language. کیونکہ نئے functional morpheme ہم ایڈ نہیں کرتے لینگویج میں. They are described as close class of words. تو ان کو close class of words کہا جاتا ہے. So that's all about the lexical and functional morpheme. It was again a very short lecture. Thank you and good.